All right, car 73. Looks like I don't know, just your classic square Crown Vic or something. I don't know, Caprice.
Some metal. Some metal. Ooh,
Pie till I die. Oh, that's cool.
You gonna show the other guys this shit?
Yeah. All right, guys, we got the number 83. Wow. Ah. What is this? An Olds? What is this?
It's an Olds 89.
Ah, yeah. See that?
Nice.
1989 Olds. Okay. Yeah. Look at the exhaust coming right out the back. That's cool. Oh, and they even did the ankle grinder signing.
Oh yeah.
I think it's hooked up too.
I think so.
Yeah. We got us a wagon. Oh yeah. She looks mean. I like these.
I like those.
Well, we're winning the Derby. We're winning the Burnout Show. There's no question about it. Yeah.
Good guy. Thanks for break things, eh?
All right. This is a Chevy. Newer Chevy, probably an LS. Nope. Nice clean looking square body over here. Yep. Good sturdy build, if I don't say so.
Yeah, that's pretty rock solid.
Looking good, boys.
The old brush paint down there. Yeah. Guy under the car.
All done.
Yeah, what's he doing under there?
What's up?
710. Is this the keep the trophy I'm here to party car?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I'm just missing the. You got it written on the other side?
No, it's same car.
Yeah, I thought so.
Same car.
Looking good. Are you driving? Yeah. Same motor?
No, this is quite a bit, a little bit of a small block shed punched out.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, Newport. I don't know, man. Look at this thing. Still on the trailer. Look at the like snowflake wheels on it. Dang. Okay, we should look at this guy. I like the brick paint scheme on the front. This is
It looks more solid.
These are both two-door cars too. The big old Velocity stack on her.
Gauge of steel on this thing.
Smoking Guns Fab Shop.
Right on.
Yeah, we got the trunk tucked. She's here to party.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Who's driving? All right. Good luck out there.
Yeah,
Looks good. Yeah, we got a pre-ran here. Sometimes these cars are a little harder than the new ones.
She saw a bit of.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I just looked over. And you had one in both.
Sorry, boys. It's all good.
Like 3 there, 3
That's
or 4.
fine.
And another little
8 shows, 4.
pre-ran figure 8 car. All right. Got another Chrysler rolling in. 723.
It's a boat.
Jesse DeVore. I wonder if he's backing up or what he's doing. Nope. Okay. Yeah, we got a Ford. Old dead side Ford.
Look at this hood.
Yeah, she's got a Ford motor and everything.
That hood isn't coming off.
No.
Wow.
Oh yeah. All right. How's it going? Yeah. Couple square bodies, OBS Chevys. There, the 93 is back. It's hard to beat a Super Duty. I mean, you try and break that, it ain't happening, right? Okay. 1 Galaxy powder coating. Come on, boys. Oh, is this this looks like a, oh, is this a, it's not quite a Fury, or it's a different year. It's not like mine, but I think it's a Fury. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's here to party. Brakes, dual battery. Dang. And another Super Duty here. See running under the hood. Little small block Chevy. I didn't quite get this guy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we've seen this guy before. Yeah. El Toro Loco.
Yes.
The money. That's where you get all your parts and pieces.
Saw this one online. It's even a 4-wheel drive. Looks real good. Stoked. The big horns on her.
Right on.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next race.
And this could be a Cadillac. Yeah. How's it going, boys?
How's it going?
We got Evan Woodward. Looks like
I always like a good caddy build.
number 12, Cam 130.
I like the
Henry
color.
Sport
Yeah.
number 26. And Rob Rod number 66.
How's it going? So good bumper, looks in pretty good shape.
Nice.
Yeah.
You when you're gonna wreck that bumper.
Nice and slow.
Looks like the motor was changed.
Oh yeah, this bumper looks pretty mean, eh?
Oh jeez. Yeah.
Look at the square
And then we're gonna watch all hell break
pipes
loose.
on the exhaust.
Put two,
All right, ladies and
two
gentlemen,
down,
get
one
ready.
pipe.
Yep. Cool.
And here we go.
Hey, what is this, a Volvo? So what is this, a Volvo? Oh, it is a Honda, okay. Oh yeah. Good luck out there, boys. Are you driving? You are? Oh yeah, right on.
Right on.
Well,
It runs.
we got this big old Imperial brick.
Oh yeah.
She's gonna be a tough one to beat. Still got the license plate on it. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. We got a Cordoba, I think.
How nice is
I think that's a Cordoba.
Yes, with genuine Corinthian leather.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Cal tires.
And we're into it.
Steve,
What?
Honda Civic.
Oh yeah.
And the nose of the dog.
What's up, buddy? Good luck, man. It looks good.
One garbage and one.
We got a Maxima. Flash roofing. Old Iron Customs.
Old Iron Customs.
Gosh. Okay. Well, guys, there's several more here. I don't know if I can quite get them on. There's such a good turnout today, but we got to go get ready for our burnout competition. So that'll be coming up next.